Your body knows things that your mind doesn't understand yet, and science doesn't either. Tonight, you will discover 10 incredible mysteries hidden deep inside you, phenomena that happen every single day, yet no researcher can fully explain. It's time to explore the unknown. Are you ready to dive in? Let's begin now. Even with all our technology, all our labs, all our theories, there are still forces working inside the human body that remain completely unexplained. These are the secrets of the subconscious. And the most unsettling part? They're happening to you right now. As you hear my voice, a silent, constant process, beyond your control. Let's start with the first mystery. Are you ready to uncover the truth? While you sleep, your brain creates entire worlds from nothing, places you've never seen, people you've never met. This nightly cinema is a complete mystery, a journey into the deepest subconscious. It's a process of creation that happens every single night. But sometimes those dreams predict real events, moments that come true. A sudden flash of insight, a warning. Coincidence? Maybe. Or something deeper the mind hasn't learned how to reveal. The line between the real and the imagined blurs. What exactly is your brain seeing while you sleep? Our DNA holds billions of codes, the blueprint of life, but most of it is labeled junk, a vast, silent library of unused information. For decades, scientists dismissed these sequences as evolutionary leftovers. Yet, recent discoveries revealed something strange. This so-called junk responds to electricity, even to light. Pulses, it vibrates, as if it's listening and reacting. What message is your DNA trying to send? It sounds impossible, but your heart has its own tiny nervous system, a mini brain, that can send signals to your real brain. It's called the intrinsic cardiac nervous system, and influence your emotions before you even think. This means your heart is communicating with your brain, not the other way around. So, who's really making your decisions? Your mind or your heart? The answer might surprise you. You've felt it, that sensation of being watched, even before you turn your head. It's a primal instinct, a survival mechanism. Your peripheral vision detects shapes and patterns, long before the conscious mind reacts. It's the brain's early warning system. But how does your body sense what your eyes don't fully see? Is it just vision, or is it something more? A sixth sense. In controlled labs, with no windows and no moonlight, humans still show strange changes. In blood flow and sleep, these shifts are perfectly aligned. With the lunar cycles, it's a biological rhythm tied to the cosmos. It's as if the body remembers the moon, even when the conscious mind has completely forgotten. Why does something so distant affect us so deeply? The mystery is written in our very biology. In controlled labs, with no windows and no moonlight, humans still show strange changes. In blood flow and sleep, these shifts are perfectly aligned. With the lunar cycles, it's a biological rhythm tied to the cosmos. It's as if the body remembers the moon, even when the conscious mind has completely forgotten. Why does something so distant affect us so deeply? The mystery is written in our very biology. In some controlled studies, sensors detected tiny vibrations in bones seconds before they fractured. A microtremor, a silent signal of impending failure. It's as if the body gave a final warning before disaster struck. The bone structure itself was communicating its distress. How does your skeleton know the future of your own injury? Is this a form of biological foresight, a deep, hidden awareness? Transplant patients have reported strange memories, dreams, and even tastes from their donors, a sudden craving for a food they never liked. These are stories that science calls coincidence, but that the body seems to treat as truth, a phenomenon known as cellular memory. Do your cells carry memories you've never lived? Is the essence of a person stored beyond the brain? Sometimes the body raises its temperature without any infection at all. It's a phenomenon that puzzles science, a sudden, unexplained surge of heat. It's as if the body is testing the immune system, running internal diagnostics, a full system check in the absence of any visible threat. It's preparing for something we don't see, a phantom enemy or a future challenge. This raises a profound question. Why does the body heat up without a reason? What is the purpose of this silent internal drill? Even in complete isolation, no windows, no sunlight, no routine, the body still knows when it's day or night. It runs on its own rhythm, a cycle of waking and sleeping, as if guided by an inner sun that only the cells can perceive. This persistent, hidden clock dictates our biology, a silent conductor of our existence. Where does this hidden clock come from? What ancient mechanism allows the body to keep perfect time, independent of the world outside? The human body is the most advanced system ever created and the most mysterious. With every answer we find, a new question appears. And maybe that's the beauty of it. Now tell me, which mystery fascinated you the most? Your comment might reveal something others haven't noticed yet. And if you want to keep exploring the secrets of the mind, the body, and the strange world we live in, where every answer leads to a new mystery, then join our community. Don't miss out on the next deep dive into the unknown. Subscribe to Nexoraise and turn on notifications to ensure you're the first to know when the next exploration begins.